The 2028 Olympics in Los Angeles are set to bring a fresh twist to the Games by introducing sports with a distinctively American flair. Among the proposed additions, baseball, softball, flag football, and lacrosse. Sports rooted in and highly popular in the United States take the stage. In addition to these, squash and cricket, sports with more international appeal, are also in contention. The International Olympic Committee is poised to vote on these suggestions later this month. Some of these sports are making their Olympic debut, while others are making a comeback, albeit after a long hiatus. The inclusion of these sports aims to streamline the games, enhancing logistics and viewer engagement. Baseball and softball. Baseball made its Olympic debut in 1992, joined by softball in 1996. Both sports were dropped after 2008 due to a weak field, but Japan welcomed them back in the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. While they will return in 2028, major league players are unlikely to participate. Flag football. Unconventional for the Olympics, flag football is proposed for both men and women. This American-style sport differs from traditional football, emphasizing flag pulling over tackling. The United States reigns as world champions in both men's and women's events. Cricket, a relatively unexplored Olympic sport. Cricket had a single match in the 1900 Paris Olympics. The sport's traditional format is time-consuming, but the shorter 2020 version opens the door for its return. Lacrosse, with a distant Olympic history, lacrosse is proposed as a streamlined 6-on-6 version for 2028, accommodating cost-cutting objectives. Squash, popular in many parts of the world, offers a fresh opportunity for Olympic success, particularly for Egypt, boasting top players. While these sports are on the rise, others like kickboxing, motorsports, karate, and breakdancing didn't make the cut. Additionally, the IOC has temporarily excluded boxing, weightlifting, and modern pentathlon, replacing them with skateboarding, sport climbing, and surfing, considered more youth-friendly. The Los Angeles 2028 Olympics promise to celebrate the diversity and evolution of sports on a grand, global stage.